Hey cricket lovers, are you ready to dive into some mind-blowing facts about one of the most exciting cricket venues in India? I'm talking about none other than the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium in Hyderabad. Here are 5 awesome and unique reasons why this stadium is a dream come true for any cricket fan. A batsman's dream ground. If you love watching big scores and huge sixes, then this stadium is your paradise. Known for its batsman-friendly pitch, it's the kind of ground where players can unleash their aggressive side. High-scoring games are a guarantee, especially in the IPL. So, get ready to witness some massive hitting. Next-level security. Safety first, right? This stadium doesn't mess around when it comes to keeping you safe. With over 2,700 security personnel and 450 cameras keeping an eye on everything, you can enjoy every moment of the game without a single worry. It's one of the most secure places to be while you cheer for your team. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi. Yes, you heard that right. The stadium offers free Wi-Fi powered by Reliance Jio. Whether you're updating your social media, checking match stats, or just chatting with friends about the game, you can stay connected while watching the action unfold in real time. It's the perfect mix of cricket and technology. Upgraded for maximum comfort. This year, the stadium went through a 5 crore rupees upgrade. Talk about an overhaul. With new corporate boxes, modern seating, enhanced lighting, and better washrooms, this place is now more comfortable than ever. Whether you're a VIP or a regular fan, you'll feel like royalty while watching your team play. Home to the Sunrisers Hyderabad. And of course, it's the iconic home ground of the Sunrisers Hyderabad in the IPL. Every match here feels like a homecoming, with passionate fans creating an electric atmosphere. You'll feel the energy, the excitement, and the pure cricketing magic as you cheer on SRH. So whether you're sitting in the stands or watching from home, the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium is where you want to be for all the high-octane IPL action. Let me know in the comments, who's excited to watch the next match here?